Welcome back to the channel. My name is Samira. Please hit the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now, like, comment. You can share this tutorial with your friends, family members. Please also ask them to watch this tutorial down to the end. Please turn on notification bell to get notified to see my next video. Today I'm making this stylish basket waistline dress with gathers for my niece. She's using it for her inter sports. She is the princess of her house and it's a yellow house. As a princess, I decided to add a bold on the waistline. That's why it's different from the cover picture. It's her day. Let's make her happy by giving this particular video more watch time, please. And guys, let's get started now with our tutorial for today. So this is the fabric that we are using. Okay, here is my doll face fabric. So I'm going to just fold it into 4 pieces. So I will draw a straight line. This straight line is going to guide us on how to take our measurements. Okay, so I'll start now by taking the length, which is 19 inch. Okay, so I'm going to mark 19 inch. Don't forget, I'm going to cut the front piece and the back piece all together. All right, so I'll go ahead now to measure my zipper allowance, and I'm using 1 inch for the zipper allowance. All right, so I'll just give a straight line for that. So guys, I want you to watch this particular tutorial down to the end so that you'll be able to learn one or two things from today's tutorial. Please watch it down to the end. So I will mark my neckline. I'm going to use 3 inch to do that, and it's a round neck, so I'm going to bring down the depth of my neck by 3 inch also. All right, so I'll just give my shape for the neck. So I'll give a curve for the neck because it's a round neck. The front is a round neck and the back too is a round neck also. Then my shoulder is by 7.5 inch. So I'm marking 7.5 inch for my shoulder. All right, so I'm still marking the 7.5 inch. So I will draw a line now for that. So guys, don't forget the fabric that I'm using is doll face material, and it's 2 yards of it that I'm using today. Okay, so please keep on watching down to the end to see the fitness of this outfit that we are making today. So I'm going to just slope my shoulder with 1 inch. Then I'm going to give a curve for that. All right, so it's a very beautiful style that we are making today. It's a special occasion. They are wearing this fabric to a special occasion. Okay, so I'm going by 34 inch now for my bust. So I'm taking my bust measurement now, which is 34 inch. Then I'm going to add 1.5 inch for my stitching allowance. Then I'll give a curve for my armhole. So that's for my armhole. So I'm curving my armhole now. I will mark 25 inch for my waistline and also add my stitching allowance, which is 1.5 inch also. So that's my waist measurement, which is 25 inch. So what I'll do, I'm going to just connect all the marks together. So guys, don't forget we are making this unique style basket waistline. It's a unique style and it's a very special style that we are making today. So I'm going to bring down the back of my neckline by 1.5 inch. Then I'll just give a curve for the back neckline. All right, so I'm going to start my cutting from the back neckline. So guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so that more people can get to see it and watch and also learn from it. And you can also share this tutorial with your friends, with your loved ones. Please ask them to also watch this particular video down to the end. Is another way for you guys to support my channel to grow. And don't forget that we are using doll face fabric to achieve this style, and it's 2 yards of it. And we are cutting the front piece and the back piece all together, and we folded it into 4 pieces because we are cutting the front and the back piece together. So just keep on watching this video down to the end so that you can see the fitness of the style that we are making. So that's the front neckline. To shape the V shape in front, so I will mark 3.5 inch. So I'm marking 3.5 inch to give that V shape at the waistline. So I will use my ruler to rule it out. Then I will cut it. So it's going to appear at the back waistline also. So I'm going to use the front fabric that we are cutting now. That's what we are going to use to cut the back piece. Don't forget to shape the V shape. To mark the V shape, we use 3.5 inch to cut it out. Alright, so we are going to use it to cut the back piece now. Okay, so that's the back piece now. So just for me to also mark 3.5 inch, then I'll just cut it out with my ruler. It's very simple and unique style that we are making today. So guys, just follow the procedure that we are using to cut this particular style. You're going to achieve your own. It's going to come out beautiful. This is my fabric that I'm going to use for the gathers to complete the length of my dress, and it's 2 yards of it that I'm using, guys. My length is by 21 inch. Okay, so I will run a stitch twice on it and draw the thread to make it to gather. Okay, so that's how to go about it when making your own. So that's what I'm showing you guys, that I'm going to run a stitch twice on it, then I will drag it and gather it out. So this is what I have now after running my stitch on it and after drawing the thread out. Okay, to make my boot and my belt, first I will fold my material into two. Then I will take the width, which is 10 inch. Okay, so the length is by 13 inch. So I will run a stitch on it also. So I will stitch it together. I will iron it out. Also, I'm going to also show you guys how to go about it when attaching it to the main dress that we are making. Don't forget we are making basket waistline dress. Although the cover picture is different from my own. Why? Because of the boot tie that I'm going to add on it on the waistline, because it's a princess that is going to wear it out today. Okay, just keep on watching. For my belt, the length is 12 inch. Okay, so I'm going to use 3.5 inch for the width. So I'm going to just shape it a bit. I'm going to use 2 inch to shape it at the edge of it. Then I'll give a curve for that. So after that, I'm going to run a stitch on it. I will iron it out also, guys. Just keep on watching this particular tutorial down to the end to see the outcome of this tie that we are making today. I have my belts now. The two of them are ready now. So to hold the both tied together, I'll use this fabric. It's 1 inch. The width is 1 inch. So this is what I'm going to use to attach the boat. So this is how to make your boat. Okay, so I have my boat tie here. So I'll just use my hand needle to tack it together. Okay, so that's the small fabric that we are going to use to do that. Just follow the procedure when making your own, so you are going to achieve your own. It's going to come out very well. You can see how neat it is, and you can see how belt. So I'm going to also use my hand needle to attach it together to it. Okay, the bow tie, so I'm going to use my hand needle to tack it together. Okay, so it's very simple to cut and sew on your own. So just follow the procedure that we used. Okay, so this is the dress. So once you place the bow tie on it, you can see the basket waistline, very unique and beautiful. So you are going to also use your hand needle to tack it together. So this is how to go about it. So I have it now ready for us to wear out. Very unique style that we just made today. I have my final look now. My stylish basket waistline with gathers that I made for my princess. She's smiling here, ready to wear out to her inter sports. Let's wish her success, guys. Please subscribe now, like, comment, turn on notification bell to get notified to see my next video. Give this video more watch time to support us. Please, you can also watch our other tutorials that we have on the channel now. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.